How AI can empower neurodivergent voices. Let's start with the obvious. Technology has always been a tool that either builds bridges or builds walls. And with AI, that choice gets sharper. For neurodivergent people, it can mean the difference between being silenced or finally being heard. Think about it. ADHD brains that move fast, ideas sparking like fireworks, but writing them down in a straight line? Exhausting. Enter AI transcription, smart notes, auto-structuring tools. Suddenly, chaos turns into clarity. Autistic precision. Details stacked neatly, connections mapped like constellations, can shine even brighter when paired with AI's ability to sort, track, and amplify. Dyslexic pattern recognition, seeing relationships others miss, becomes supercharged when AI helps with the heavy lifting of text. These aren't fixes, they're amplifiers. Here's the key. Empowerment is not about AI speaking for us. It's about AI creating space for our own voices. Voice-to-text apps mean you can capture your thought before it vanishes. Captioning tools mean communication isn't gated by format. Smart editing means the brilliance in your head doesn't have to get stuck at the bottleneck of formatting or spelling. For many of us, that bottleneck has always been the barrier. Now, AI can widen the opening. But let's get honest for a second. AI also carries risk. If the systems are trained mostly on neurotypical patterns, the same biases that silence us in classrooms, workplaces, and social media can sneak right back in. If your sentence structure is nonlinear, if your tone is too much or too blunt, AI might try to correct it into something more normal. And that's not empowerment, that's erasure. So the challenge is clear. How do we design AI that adapts to us, instead of forcing us to adapt to it? That's where inclusion comes in, building datasets with neurodivergent input, testing tools with real neurodivergent creators, asking not how do we fix the output, but how do we make sure the output sounds like you? Imagine the possibilities when we get it right. A student with ADHD using AI to structure essays without killing their creativity. An autistic speaker using AI to make their presentations accessible without losing the precision of their message. A dyslexic writer co-authoring with AI that handles grammar, freeing them to focus on the big ideas. That's not science fiction. That's today, if we choose to design this way. And here's where it gets exciting. Empowering neurodivergent voices with AI doesn't just help us, it helps everyone. The accessibility tools born from neurodivergent needs, captions, speech-to-text, predictive text, have already become mainstream. What empowers us often ends up empowering the world. So how AI can empower neurodivergent voices is not just a catchy title, it's a vision and a challenge. Will AI flatten difference, or will it celebrate it? Will it turn us into averages? Or will it amplify the uniqueness that makes human minds extraordinary? Neurodivergent voices have always been here. We've just needed platforms that let them through without distortion. AI can be that platform, but only if we build it to serve people, all people, not just the statistical majority. Every Coffee 5, every interview on this channel is made with love for the way our brains actually work. If you've ever felt like your voice was too different, you're in the right place. Stick around, subscribe, share this, because this isn't about fixing, it's about empowering. And if you're still here with me, sipping coffee and nodding along, you're definitely one of us.